Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You must confirm the backup first. Check Google Drive or iCloud, note the date and size so you know what you'll restore. Once done, make sure you use the same phone number and the same Google or Apple account. That's how WhatsApp links the backup. Now uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it. When you verify your number, the app will automatically look for available backups. Make sure the device is charged and on a stable Wi-Fi connection to prevent corruption during transfer. You'll see a restore prompt after number verification. Tap it and let WhatsApp download messages first, then media. Do not force close the app. If the cloud backup isn't found, make sure WhatsApp has permission to access Drive or iCloud and that you are signed into the correct account. Re-signing and often fixes detection. For Android local backups, copy the latest MSG store. DB. Crypt 12 from your old device or file manager into /WhatsApp/data. Once messages and media finish downloading, open key chats to verify content and check archived conversations. Remove duplicate media if needed to save space. If the restore fails, first clear WhatsApp cache, then reinstall and try again. On Android, try restoring an older local backup file by renaming it to MSG store. DB. Crypt 12. If nothing works, contact WhatsApp support and provide the exact backup timestamp and account details so they can investigate. This often reveals permission or account mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.